Merry Christmas!
Om Namah Shivaya, children. How are you all? You know who has come to meet you? Oh, this is Santa. Merry Christmas. Let's sing the song. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making the spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. So children, you enjoyed the song? And this is Christmas time and we have to do Christmas activity also. So you're ready for the exciting activity? Yes. For this, you will require 2 A4 size sheet, 1 hat of the snowman, 1 nose of the snowman of orange color, 1 ribbon or scarf of the snowman. It can be of any color. I have taken here red. 2 eyes of the snowman, Fevicol and few decoration items. So children, let's start the activity. First, you will take these 2 A4 size sheets. We'll fold this into half like this. The other one also half like this. And then we'll cut it. From 1 A4 size sheet, we'll make 2, and same with the second one also. Yes, like this. Yes. So now we'll start to fan fold these. It's very easy. You all children know how to do fan folding. Of all these 4 pieces of paper, we'll do fan folding. One side up, one side down. Again one side up, one side down. See, like this. It's very easy. Like this we'll do. And for all the rest of the 4 sheets, we'll do the same. And see, this is how it will look. Your sheets will, all the 4 pieces of sheets will look like this after fan folding. So let's start now. First we'll take this. We'll take Fevicol like this. Then we'll spread at the edge part of the fan. One fan fold. We'll take another one and we'll paste it like this. Yes, see, only 2 pieces will paste and press it. Let it dry for some time. Yes. Okay, so now after it has dried, we will staple it in the middle also like this. See, we'll hold it like this and from the middle we'll staple it. And while stapling, children, please take help of your mama like this. And now we'll open it from both the sides, and then again here we will use Fevicol to paste, and it will take again some time to dry. So after this, from this side also same, we are going to put Fevicol like this. Again it will take little time to dry. See, one circle is done, and same with the second one. Again we will put Fevicol on one of the fan folds. Then we'll take the second one, we'll paste it here. Yes, and we'll hold it and press it. Let it dry for some time. Now same we will do with the second one also. We'll take again stapler and staple it from the middle. We'll hold it and press it like this. Again, take help of your mama. Now, again, we will use Fevicol here. We'll paste it from the edges. Same with the second one. We'll again do it like this, and we'll again take Fevicol and we'll paste it like this. And see, my two fan folding big circles are done. So now what we're going to do next, we'll again take a stapler and we'll staple it like this. Yes, now let's make the eyes, which I've already made. So now see, I'll take little Fevicol here, then I'll put here. Again I'll take little Fevicol for the second eye like this. Now I'm taking the black cap. I'll put Fevicol here and I'm going to paste it here like this and let it dry for some time. Now comes the beak. Like this, let it dry. And now comes the scar for the ribbon. Place it here, and after it is dry, children, see, it will look like this. And you can also use Demontes or pom-poms like this. I have used here. See, I have used Demontes and pom-poms to decorate my snowman. Now after making this snowman, you can place it here next to the Christmas scene. Yes, or you can place it next to the Christmas tree also. Yes, children, so you enjoyed the activity. So now you also make this beautiful snowman, which is very easy. You can also create Christmas scene if you want and share pictures with your class teachers. Thank you.